Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pinakamasamang tao yan. Hindi na natin paniwalaan. How unfair can we be to the people kung hindi natin siya paniwalaan? Kahit na masama siyang tao. Kaya, that's the purpose of this hearing. To hear them, to listen to them. And it's up for us to believe. Whether we believe on him or not, then same goes true with all the resource person. Ganoon po ang ating treatment dapat. Basta ako, I am just giving you the assurance as you're my vice chairman of this committee and including the Senate President. Please magtiwala lang kayo sa akin and I will do my best na hindi tayo mapapahiya dito sa yung institusyon natin. Hindi mapapahiya dahil sa ginagawa kong hearing. That's all. Sana
Mr. Chair, I believe in you.
Thank you.
I trust you.